Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience using Range. Range, found at https://www.range.com, offers a compelling platform for teams to stay connected and effectively manage their work. It's designed to facilitate streamlined communication, promote transparency, and foster a sense of shared purpose within a team. Range achieves this by providing a central hub where team members can share updates on their progress, flag any roadblocks they're encountering, and discuss their plans for the day or week ahead. This fosters a culture of open communication and helps everyone stay informed about what their colleagues are working on. Furthermore, Range offers tools for tracking goals and key results, enabling teams to monitor their collective progress and identify areas for improvement. This feature enhances accountability and allows teams to celebrate their accomplishments together. Beyond daily check-ins and goal tracking, Range also provides a space for meeting agendas and notes, fostering better organization and more effective meetings. By having a dedicated space for meeting documentation, teams can easily refer back to previous discussions, decisions, and action items, ensuring everyone stays aligned. The platform's intuitive interface and user-friendly design make it simple for teams to adopt and integrate into their existing workflows. It promotes a more organized and collaborative work environment, reducing the need for lengthy status meetings and countless email threads. Range ultimately aims to enhance team cohesion and improve overall productivity by providing a centralized platform for communication, collaboration, and progress tracking. It simplifies workflows, fosters transparency, and enables teams to work more effectively together. If you're looking for a tool to streamline your team's communication and boost productivity, exploring Range might be well worth your time.